3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. High stepping. If you feel it's too hard, slow down. Half the time. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 30 seconds. Jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Jumping jacks. Inhale when your feet are apart, and exhale when pulling them back. Half the time. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 12 squats. Three, 2, 1. Start. 12 squats. Take a rest. Next. 12 donkey kicks left. Please do this workout on a mat. Three, 2, 1. Start. 12 donkey kicks left. Take a rest. Next. 12 donkey kicks right. Three, 2, 1. Start. 12 donkey kicks right. Take a rest. Next. 14 backward lunge. 7 each side. Three, 2, 1. Start. 14 backward lunge. 7 each side. Take a rest. Next. 10. Side lying leg lift left. Three, two, one. Start. 10. Side lying leg lift left. Take a rest. Next. 10. Side lying leg lift right. Three, two, one. Start. 10. Side lying leg lift right. Take a rest. Next. 6. Modified burpees. Three, two, one. Start. 6. Modified burpees. Take a rest. Next. 10. Squats. Three, two, one. Start. 10. Squats. Take a rest. Next. 10. Donkey kicks left. Three, two, one. Start. 10. Donkey kicks left. Take a rest. Next. 10. Donkey kicks right. Three, two, one. Start. 10. Donkey kicks right. Take a rest. Next. 12. Backward lunge. 6. Each side. Three, 2, 1. Start. 12. Backward lunge. 6. Each side. Take a rest. Next. 8. Side lying leg lift left. Three, 2, 1. Start. 8. Side lying leg lift left. Take a rest. Next. 8. Side lying leg lift right. Three, 2, 1. Start. 8. Side lying leg lift right. Take a rest. Next. 30 seconds. Left quad stretch with wall. Please stand in front of a wall. Three, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Left quad stretch with wall. This exercise can stretch your quadriceps. Half the time. 10 seconds left. Three, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 30 seconds. Right quad stretch with wall. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Right quad stretch with wall. This exercise can stretch your quadriceps. Half the time. 10 seconds left. Three, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 30 seconds. Knee to chest stretch left. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Knee to chest stretch left. Keep your back flat on the floor. Half the time. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Last exercise. 30 seconds. Need a chest stretch right. Start. 30 seconds. Need a chest stretch right. Keep your back flat on the floor. Half the time. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Congratulations.